Hey, this is Lance from thetatraderz.com. Quick video, I wanted to go over a poor man covered call that I did on TSLL. This is the 2x leveraged Tesla ETF. So 11/14, I bought a leap 769 days out at 10, and the fill was 12.7. At the time, TSLL was in the high teens, lower 20s. Then I also sold a put against it. This is a weekly put, and I was able to get 0.41 premium. So the total outlay on the trade was $1,270 minus the $41, so around $1,230 or so for the trade. TSL ran up a bit, so I rolled it up and out, and I got a credit of 0.23. I rolled it out another week to the 24 strike because it touched the 22, and at that point, your short delta could actually increase faster than the long, even though this long leap was around 0.85 delta at the time. Then it kept running up. I able to buy it back at 0.51. And then I sold out to 27 days, and this is on the 12/20 expiration, and we're at 1.46 credit here. So notice how I'm rolling up and out numerous times here. I want to keep my leap going well, just because it's actually gaining quite a bit of value. And currently in the 27 strike for 12/20. Right now, TSLL is, double check real quick. TSL was at 26.99 at the close on Friday, so right at that strike, and I still have about 13 days left before that short gets expired. Also, just looking at my positions, TSLL is currently between 18.8 to 22.65 on this leap, so that's up, give or take, about $700 or so. I'm planning on holding this for a long time. Obviously, it's 769 days. And I'm going to continue to sell premium and sell short puts typically start calls every about month or so, just to lower my cost basis on this leap. If it ever gets to the point where my rolling of the short will not be worth it, I probably would just close out the trade at a really good profit. Because again, right now I used about $1,240, and I'm already up $700 in less than a month. So it's a really good trade so far. So if you're interested in following along, you can join at thetatraderz.com. Everyone, good to have a rest of the day, and I'll see you guys on the next one.